Hi everyone, it's Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home, and today I have another thrift haul. I know it seems like I've been thrifting a lot because I have been. There's a lot of things I'm looking for right now, and I just happen to hit up thrift stores as I'm out and about, so I feel like I'm doing a lot of hauls lately, and that's just because I'm trying to get things that we need. So today's thrift haul is going to be kind of clothing heavy, but hopefully you still enjoy it, so let's jump in. It's ironic that this is such a clothing heavy thrift haul because I went to this specific Goodwill because they were having 50% off of home goods, like home decor, and I found only one piece of home decor, and it was this really beautiful planter pot. I have a ton of plants that I got for Christmas that as they grow, I know I'm going to need to put them in their own individual planters. So I saw this one and I loved the sort of design on the front, and the color and the way the glaze is sitting on here is so nice. And it has the drainage hole, and it's attached to its little water catcher. It is only just from Marshall's. It's nothing special as far as brand, but I love it. I love the way it looks. So it was $3.99, and because it was 50% off, I only paid $2. So that's the one 50% off thing I got. I did donate, so I had 20% off, and I found several items of clothing. So I'm thinking ahead to warmer weather. I prefer sweater weather. But anyway, I got myself a skirt, so like a skirt with shorts underneath to wear on walks and hiking. Last year when we were out and about, I just felt like I wanted something that helped me feel a little bit more put together when we were out adventuring, and so this year I have this pretty skirt. It has pockets, and it's a good length for me. I already tried it on. So this was $5.99, and the 20% off made it like $4.75, I think, which is a really good price. Oh, I forgot to say the brand. What is this brand? 32 Degrees Cool. I think they sell that at Costco. Yeah. Anyway, so that was for me. I found a really beautiful dress for my daughter. So this is Tommy Hilfiger, and she has not tried it on yet or seen it yet, but it's a really lovely fully lined dress, classic A-line silhouette. I think this would be a beautiful Easter dress. It's her size and nice quality. So this I paid, let's see, $7.99. Let's see, does this say? Oh, $6.39. So with the 20% off, $6.39 for that beautiful dress. So I really hope she likes that one. It's really pretty. Okay, also for my daughter, I know she will like this because we have this same skirt for her in a blue color, like this soft blue color, and this one's just the floral print. It's got built-in shorts, and it's just so nice for spring and summer. She wears that with a pair of sandals and a t-shirt, and she's put together and ready to go. So $4.79 for that, and that's the Lee brand. I found another pair of khakis for my younger son. Again, just one of those things we need. So $3.99, so that must have been somewhere around $3. My older son told me that he really needs more t-shirts. I know he doesn't really necessarily like the basketball just printed on the shirt like I used to buy, so I just got some plain looking ones. Like this is a nice green. I think that'll look nice on him, just a simple t-shirt. And these were all $4.99. This one, just a nice plain blue. I don't know, you guys, I'm kind of spitballing here. This one is like an athletic one, but I thought he'd like the kind of bolder colors. This is probably more for when he's playing soccer. That one was $2.99. That was a good deal. And then I got this one in the men's section. So this one was $5.99 because it's Nike. But again, I paid the discount price. And then there were a few pieces of clothing that I got for myself that I tried on and I just didn't like once I got home that I will return. And that is all I got in this thrift haul. So I will add on to this haul for the next time I go to the thrift store and put it together in one so that, you know, we're using our time well. So excuse my bedraggled appearance for this part of the haul, but it's a super, super windy, blustery day. So my kids don't have school today, so they are in the garage playing this little basketball game. So if you hear them, that's what it is. But it's too blustery to be outside. So anyway, I finished my 25th book, my little book buying ban that I put on myself. I needed to read 25 books off of our shelves that I had not yet read before buying more books. So I reached that goal just in time to go to a library sale, and I got all of these books that I'm going to show you for $6, and that was with making a donation as well. Really great prices. Most things that I got were 25 cents or 10 cents. Amazing prices. I'm going to go from least excited up to most excited that I found and like build the anticipation. I got Caddy Woodland, which is a really great middle grade novel, and I didn't have that one yet. I got 2 Tommy DePaula's. He's one of my favorite children's book illustrators. I got The Quilt Story and Teeny Tiny, and I've actually never read this one before. I quickly kind of flipped through it, but it looks like it's a little ghost story, which might be fun for, you know, October. So that's fun. And then I have a vague memory of reading this years ago, The Leaf Man or Leaf Men by William Joyce, and really cool illustrations, but I thought my son would like that one. So the kids' books were just $1 a piece. Now we're going to get into the chapter books and novels that I got. So I found a Steinbeck, and I really like the cover on this. This is Dubious Battle, and he's most known for Grapes of Wrath, and I've never read this one. So this was one I wanted to add to our family library. I do not have Gulliver's Travels, so I found this nice hardback Jonathan Swift book. I also did not have Robinson Crusoe, and it has this awful sticker on the front that I'll try to get off, but this one's just the Penguin copy. I got, this one looked so good, and I love Lady Jane Grey, so I grabbed this one. It's 9 Days a Queen, The Short Life and Reign of Lady Jane Grey, and it's by, I think part of the author's name is covered up. Anne Rinaldi. So I think this might be a middle grade book as well, but I'll read it regardless because I love Lady Jane Grey. I found a Howard Pyle, Men of Iron, again, nice little compact hardback, and a Ray Bradbury Dandelion Wine, which I'm excited to read. And I will get all of these stickers off as well, the little TLC. I found a hardback of Murder, She Wrote, and this one is Madison Avenue Shoot, and I have a few of these that I've picked up. I loved the show. It's like a comfort show for me, and Jessica Fletcher is one of the authors that's always listed, even though she's a fictional character, and I love that they did that for the fans. It's just the best. I also found a really nice copy of The Book Thief, and I've heard a lot of really good things about this book, that it's like rated super high on a lot of people's like favorite books that they've ever read. So I'm very curious. I've never read it, and I'd like to read it. It sounds like a premise that I would enjoy. So I have that was just $1. And oh, I don't think I said like the little books that I got were just 10 cents a piece. And then this one was also $1, and I was so excited when I saw it. It's this really cool vintage copy of My Cousin Rachel by Daphne du Maurier, and she wrote Rebecca, which was my favorite read of last year. So I'm so excited, and I was just watching a YouTuber talk about how this one she liked even more than Rebecca. So Yeah, I might have to bump this up on my TBR real quick. So I got all of that. I gave them $6, which was even more than they were asking me, which is so wonderful. Like, go shop your library sales. It is worth the time. And I'm so excited to be past my book buying ban. I can get back into the fun of thrifting books again. All right. All right, I just got back from a grocery trip, and at Walmart, right by the front door, they had their winter garments marked down to $1 or $2. So hats and gloves and mittens, and then they had like sort of like long underwear type things marked down to $5, $8, $9. So really good opportunity to grab some cheap stocking stuffers and set them aside. So I got this really cute hat for $2, and then a 2-pack of simple cloth gloves for $1. These are going to go in my daughter's stocking stuffer bin. I keep bins up in my closet, and throughout the years I find bargains. I put them in their bins, and by Christmas time I have a lot of my shopping done, and I've saved a lot of money and found some great items for my family. So definitely keep your eyes peeled for things like this going on clearance that you can grab and set aside. Thanks so much everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this beginning of March thrift haul. It was nice to find some things that we needed for the spring and summer. What are you thrifting right now? Are you thrifting clothing mostly? Are you trying to mix up your home decor? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear. All right, you guys, take care. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back with more soon.